Hi guys, how are you all? Please subscribe MechTech 360. Those who are not subscribed, and share to your friends and colleagues also. Please support me, and also please comment what are the topics you have to share. You have to make it in comment box, like or dislike, whatever it may be. Okay, in this video I specially explain this what are the tests conducted for the welding consumable. Basically the material, base material we are doing for the welding activities and all have good strength, as well as we are joining the two base materials through this welding process. So when compared to the base metal, welding consumable mechanical properties should be more than that, like tensile strength, impact strength. That value will be more than the base metal, means it will withstand number of years. That's the basic thing, all of you know. Then as per Asme section 2C, that is for ferrous or non-ferrous materials, consumables and all, they will detailedly explain in section 2C. In that there will be a table is there. What are the test conducted, mechanical test or radiography will conducted for different consumables. I will explain through this table. Go through. Okay, this is the table taken from the ASME section 2C. This is different consumables, carbon steel, low alloy steel, stainless steel and all they are mentioned. This is the SFA number 5.2, 5.1 like that. This is the SFA number. You know this SFA number for different consumables, there will be a different SFA number is there. Then 1, 2, 3 it is mentioned there. What are the chemical analysis? By using the PMI, positive metal identification, we have to easily identify the chemical analysis. Tensile strength, impact strength, soundness, moisture test, everything will be conducted for different materials. For example, for low alloy steel, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what are the tests? Chemical analysis, tensile and impact, soundness, that will be X-ray will be taken, and the moisture test. These are all will be taken for this low alloy steel. For stainless steel, there will be 5.4. That is only chemical analysis will be there. If we need any additional requirement, we will go for the impact test and all. For SS321 material, we are using 347 filler wire. That we have to need impact strength property. So that additional client requirement and all, we have to conduct this required test for this additional requirements. And also for different copper, nickel, copper alloy, magnesium, titanium and all, they will, what are the tests conducted, they will be detailedly explained in this one. So we have to go through this. This is basic questions they will ask in the interview. What are the tests basically we are conducting for this welding consumable? At the time we are we don't know this is mentioned in the section 2C. That's why I will just awareing you. Okay. And for MTC of this welding consumable also include the tensile strength, chemical analysis, what are the silicon percentage, carbon percentage, everything that will be mentioned in this MTC. So you see this MTC, you know what are the data given in that. Thank you.